Welcome to HeatSign. Today, we'll show you how to use our HS-UV05W UV laser engraving machine to mark plastic parts with product numbers, QR codes, serial numbers, and logos. First, power on the machine. Rotate the emergency stop button. Then, turn on the red light for focusing. Next, insert the Bluetooth mouse receiver and the USB flash drive. Enter the software interface and type in your password to log in. Now, let's begin setting up the content. Start by entering the product number. Adjust the size as needed. Enter the QR code content and resize it. Add the serial number and place it where you need. Then, open your logo file from the USB drive and adjust its size. Now, position all elements clearly on the workspace. Once the layout is done, adjust the engraving parameters based on the material type. Set the power to 50 and the speed to 1500. Then, adjust the focal length to ensure precision. Adjust the height of the laser head so that the red dot and line coincide. This is the correct focal length. Use the preview function to check the engraving position and size. All set. Let's begin engraving. Here you can see the final result clear, sharp marks with perfect alignment. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or want to test your samples, feel free to contact us anytime.